Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on PrizePicks. So here are step by step how to withdraw money on PrizePicks. So first you need to log in to your PrizePicks account via the app or website and then open the menu. On mobile app, tap the menu in the top left corner, or on the desktop or website, click on your profile or menu in the top right corner and then select request withdraw, then enter the amount you want to withdraw, choose your withdraw method from the available options and then confirm and submit your request. You may receive a verification code, one-time password OTP via email or SMS, and then track the status in the withdraw history or similar section of the app or website. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.